So dear students, here we can see the solution of internal assessment 1. So in this section, basically we are going to deal with the solution of few questions. The first question that was asked in the internal evaluation 1 in December 2021. The question 1 is, does the series is converge? If yes, then what is the value of that convergent series? So at which value it is converging? And determine whether the ratio test is applicable or not in the given series. So these are the two quite easy questions that was asked as a CO1 or CO2. So first we solve the first question, then we go for the second one. So in the first question, it is given that un is equals to summation 2 to the power n plus 2 plus 3 to the power n upon 6 to the power n. So we can divide it into two parts. So by dividing and solving, so it is 4 into summation 1 by 3 power n plus summation 1 by 2 power 1 by 2 power n will be there. So what we consider here, the summation un is converted into the two part, summation an and summation bn. So as you know, these two series are the geometric series with r is less than 1. So you know the geometric series, infinite series which has the r less than 1. So it will have some finite value. So both the series are convergent. Since an and bn are summation an and summation bn are convergent, so that's its combination is also convergent. So by this we can conclude that the given series is convergent. Now next is at which value it is convergent. As you know, summation un is convergent, so we will get the value here. So this can be having by formula a upon 1 minus r. That is the summation an if you are writing. So that formula we have used for the geometric series. So finally you get the answer, that is 3. It is the answer of question 1 part 2. Now come to the next question, determine whether the ratio test is applicable. So it is very good easy questions given here. We have given that un, so we may find the ratio test we can apply. So to apply the ratio test, we should write here the un plus 1. So it will be 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 up to n minus 1, and one term you can add it here. So 2n plus 1 by putting n is equals to n plus 1, you can add it. And in the denominator, 4 into 6 into 8 into 10 up to 2n plus 2, and the next term will be 2n plus 4. So after getting this un and un plus 1, we apply the ratio test. So for this, we require the ratio of un plus 1 upon un. So in this section, what we can see, up to this level, this will be deleted, and here up to this level, it will be deleted. So only the term that you have 2n plus 1 upon 2n plus 4. So limit n tends to infinity. Now apply the limit here. So limit n tends to infinity, un plus 1 upon un is what? That you get the one which is a not greater than or less than 1, it is equals to 1. So by the rule of ratio test, fails to give the decision on convergence or divergence of the series. So this is the second. This is the answer of second question. So next, we are going to solve this question. Obtain the value of del f upon del x plus del f upon del y at 1 1, where the function is given x to the power 10, y to the power 7, sine x square plus y square upon xy plus x to the power 17 cos x cube upon x square y plus yx square plus y to the power 18 upon x log 1 plus y by x. So by having this, okay, the second question, the part B is given. So both have the 5 mark questions here. So that we will see the next. So thank you all of you for watching this video. It may be helpful. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe our channel to get the more solutions. Thank you.